Today I'm here to tell you about something called subconjunctival hemorrhage. You may be asking, why am I telling you about this? Well, because I have a subconjunctival hemorrhage, as you can see right here in my left eye. Subconjunctival hemorrhage is something that looks really scary, but it's not. So it can happen from increased pressure in the eye, from a hard cough or a hard sneeze, and a blood vessel in the eye can burst and cause this bleeding, which leads to a subconjunctival hemorrhage. It doesn't hurt, but it does look very worrisome. A lot of people seek medical attention for this, and you don't need to. Why do we call it a subconjunctival hemorrhage? Well, the conjunctiva is a layer of the eye that is a thin, clear membrane, and it can get inflamed. Maybe you've heard of something called conjunctivitis, also known as pink eye. That is inflammation of the conjunctiva. And subconjunctival hemorrhage, so the word hemorrhage means blood or bleeding, and that can occur just underneath the conjunctiva if a small blood vessel ruptures. And that is what gives you this condition. You get this blood in your eye, and if I look up to the right, you can see mine even more. So it does look bad, but it is completely benign. It doesn't hurt. It will go away. However, it does take some time to go away. So it usually goes away in 3 to 4 weeks. There is no treatment needed for subconjunctival hemorrhage. So a lot of times I see people who come in and they want to know, oh my goodness, I just saw this in my eye. My family's freaking out. What do I do? And the answer is nothing. You just wait. Subconjunctival hemorrhage does happen in some patients who have high blood pressure. So you want to make sure your blood pressure is controlled, because elevated blood pressure can make you more likely to get this type of injury. But if your blood pressure is controlled, there is literally nothing else you need to do. You'll probably freak some people out along the way when they see you and think you are a bad guy from a James Bond movie or are scared of you because of your bleeding eye. But it's nothing to worry about. It will go away. And that is subconjunctival hemorrhage.